Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to view tax documents on Wells Fargo. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com, then sign on with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Accounts. On the drop-down list, you will see a section that says Statements and Documents. Under Statements and Documents is an option that says View Statements and Documents. Click on View Statements and Documents. Next, on this page, you will see an option for Tax Documents. Click on Tax Documents. After that, you will see a field that says Tax Year. Beside it is a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow to show the different tax years. Then click on the year you wish to download the tax documents from. Once clicked, you will see your tax documents below. That's how you view your tax documents on Wells Fargo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.